Kurt Fishman here, y'all. It's my boy. We got some Hot Wheels for y'all. We want to say our haze before we start doing it. Alright, let's turn this thing around, open up some cars, and have some fun. First, I got to turn it on. Up first, y'all, when we open up the Ford GT40, the black, the gumball run. That's what it is, baby. Come on. Alright, y'all, well, that one's on the turner. We're going to open up the Polaris RZR, the side-by-side. I forgot that's a Matchbox. It's a little hard, baby. It's a Matchbox. Remember, I got to help you. Alright, y'all, well, that one's on the turner, y'all. Up next going to be the 2017 Lamborghini Urus.
Plus, I say we're going to get these. Because that's what it is.
Alright, y'all, well, that's on the turner, y'all. We're going to open up a 62 Volkswagen Beetle. It says taxi on the side of it.
Why does it say taxi on the side? Why does it say taxi on the side?
Well, I don't know. It does, though.
I guess it's a taxi beetle.
Yeah, it's a taxi cab.
That's a taxi cab? Hey, even over this head, that one has a hitch on it and the other one does not.
Alright. Up next, y'all, is going to be the Volkswagen Beetle, the 2021 Love Bug.
It's kind of low, though.
Because it's a Valentine car.
It's a Valentine car.
Alright, y'all, up next is going to be the Mario Kart. Here, baby. That was easy. Alright, y'all. Well, that one's on the turner. We're going to open up the Surfing School Bus in the blue and yellow.
The Hot Wheels did not want to open up. I was good. I was like, good. It did not want to open up.
Here we go, y'all. Well, that one's on the turn, y'all. This is another Surfing School Bus in blue and white. The other color variation.
That's it.
Check them out together, y'all. The two Surfing School Buses. Well, y'all, that's me for this little video right here. Me and my son. We're going to turn this camera around and say our goodbyes. Come here, baby. Trey, come here. Alright, come on. Alright, y'all, that's it. We want to say our goodbyes.
Bye.
Hope y'all enjoy watching our little show here and tell your friends about us. Bye, y'all.